Okay, we're in Windows, got a new wallpaper looking damn gorgeous. I'm quickly going over the OCD settings. Below the corner of the monitor there are 5 buttons. The outer right one is for on and off. Then there is also the second one, which is for the RGB settings, the ranges actually. So limited and full. These are the two options for RGB range. Then the third button is presets for, I think, the color corrections or something like that. You have movie, game, FPS, RTS and standard. I'm gonna keep it on standard. The fourth button equals, actually, what icon is that? It looks like a console controller, but for the monitor that means actually, I don't know if you can see it, a crosshair. Not sure if that's useful, but I guess for FPS games you can enable that. I'm not sure, I'm not gonna use that. And then the last button is the actual OCD, the on display settings. There are a few, actually a lot of settings. You have the input source, brightness, color settings, picture quality settings, display, audio, multi-window, OSD and other. Input source, that's, yeah, makes sense, you know what it is. Brightness and contrast, just the values of the brightness, black level and contrast, and also DCR. Then in the color settings we got the gamma, which can you choose between 1.8 and 2.6. The picture mode, that's the same as the shortcut and the bottom, the button, like before. The color temperature, you have warm, cool and user defined. If you choose user defined, you can set the red, green and blue value yourself. Then the low blue light is just, yeah, setting the blue light of the monitor. Then hue, that's actually something I don't know, so I can't really, and when changing the value I don't see any difference, so I'm not sure what it is. Saturation, I left it also on 50 because I don't know what it is. Then picture quality settings, you can change the sharpness, the response time, that's between off, high, middle and low. Noise reduction, on and off, dynamic, luminous control and MPRT. Those are stuff I don't know about because my knowledge about monitors isn't that great. Then the display, you got aspect ratio, LED mode and projection lamp. If I turn projection lamp on, I don't see any change, so same like before, like the other settings I don't know about. Not sure. LED mode is off, flicker and normal. Then the audio, the monitor has no speakers, but you can attach, connect a headphone jack. There's a headphone jack for headphones or speakers. Yeah, so that's that. Then we got the multi-window. The multi-window means the monitor supports picture by picture or picture in picture. So PIP mode and BP mode. When you turn it on, you can obviously choose the other input to use as second display, and you have choice between the two display ports and the HDMI ports. Then we have the OCD settings. That's just the on display settings. So what you see here in front of the camera is the OCD settings. So you can change the language, the horizontal position, the vertical, the transparency, the timeout, and the rotation. So that's, that makes sense. And then in other, you can select the DisplayPort version and turn on FreeSync or HDR. And that's actually it.